Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to solve the problem on condition number. Considering the given set of matrix, we are going to represent the condition number. How to represent the condition number, how to define the solution, I am going to show you step by step. First, let us represent the given set of matrix solution. Given, always we are supposed to define matrix with respect to capital letter A. Capital letter A, which is equal to 1, 2, 5, 4. After representing the given, they have asked to find the conditional number. We know that the condition number of the given square matrix is given by condition of A or K of A, which is equal to norm A infinity into norm A inverse infinity, where A inverse, which is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, done. Now, since we have A, we can find norm A infinity. It doesn't matter, but we are supposed to find A inverse. First, let us find A inverse. To find A inverse, we need to find first determinant of A. Determinant of A, which is equal to 1, 2, 5, 4. Determinant of A, which is equal to 4 into 1 minus 5 into 2. Determinant of A, which is equal to 4 minus 5 2s are 10. Determinant of A, which is equal to minus 6. Determinant of A is minus 6. Now let us find adjoint. To find adjoint, I am going to represent here itself. To find adjoint of A, it is very easy. When it comes to 2 cross 2, to find adjoint of A, just change the diagonal elements and change the sign of the opposite diagonal element. That is, changing the diagonal elements 4, 1 and simplifying the negative sign for the remaining diagonal element. It is minus 2 and minus 5. Got the point? This is our adjoint of A, where now you can represent A inverse. A inverse, which is equal to 1 by 6 into 4 minus 2 minus 5 and 1. Okay, done? Where A inverse, which is equal to, you can represent it as 4 by 6, you can represent it as 2 by 3. Next, minus 1 by 3. Next, minus 5. Okay, you have minus, right? Okay, minus. Since we have determinant minus, you get this, you get minus, you get plus, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus 5 by 6. Next, minus 1 by 6. This is our A inverse. Now what we are going to find? Let us find norm A infinity. Norm A infinity. What does norm A infinity represent? Row column. To add row column, that is modulus 1 plus modulus. Okay, we are supposed to represent maximum. Always remember, whenever you represent infinity, you are supposed to represent maximum. Maximum of, okay, that is modulus 1 plus modulus 2, next modulus 5 plus modulus 4, which is equal to maximum. Since we are going to simplify with respect to row, 1 plus 2 3 comma 4 5 plus 4 9. The norm A infinity, the maximum number is 9. Similarly, norm A inverse infinity, which is equal to maximum of, that is modulus minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Just you have substituted this 1 by 6 with respect to both the all these values with respect to matrix. That is, next we have modulus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6, which is equal to maximum of, okay, see, you can add, since you have negative sign, we have applied modulus, it become positive, denominators are same, powers can be added, or 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 3 you get 1, comma again 5 plus 1 6 by 6 you get 1, which is equal to 1. The maximum number is 1. Therefore the condition number of the given matrix is condition of A or K of A, which is equal to norm A infinity into norm A inverse infinity. K of A, which is equal to, what is norm A? Norm A infinity we have 9 into norm A inverse infinity. Norm A inverse infinity I have 1. K of A equal to 9. This is our required solution. Is the required solution. Simple, okay? You can simplify very easily. If you know the determinant matrix, it will be very easy. First, what we are supposed to do, represent the given matrix, represent the condition, what we are supposed to find. That is, we are supposed to find condition of A equal to norm A infinity dot norm A inverse infinity. First, let us find A inverse. What is A inverse? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A, you get minus 6. Adjoint, you get 4 minus 2 minus 5 1. Multiplying these two, you get A inverse. That is, if you multiply 1 by minus 6 for both the side, you get A inverse, which is equal to 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 5 by 6 and minus 1 by 6. Now, considering these two matrix, let us represent norm. Norm A infinity, adding the row wise terms. Okay, add row wise, represent which is the maximum number, represent norm A infinity. Similarly, A inverse infinity, add A inverse infinity row wise, represent the solution, you get the maximum number 1, multiply these two, you get condition number. That's it, nothing more. Got the point? This is how you are supposed to represent condition number for the given set of matrix. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.